Hey guys, I am very excited to review for you today the PAWBBY P1 self-cleaning litter box. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a nice close look, showing you how to install it, demoing it for you, and getting into all the different features so you can decide whether or not this would be the right self-cleaning litter box to add to your home. Beginning with our installation process. So let's take a quick look at everything you're going to get in the set. Of course, we've got our litter box, we've got our litter mat, we've got this deodorizing pod, the waste bags, the power cable. I've already got it plugged in, so I've kind of already done that initial step where I removed all the packaging, got it plugged in, and then we've got our detailed instruction manual as well as our quick start guide, making it super simple to just dive right in. So once you've got it plugged in, the first thing we're going to do is install the deodorizing pod. So I'm going to remove the cover just like so, take off this aluminum foil, and there we are. Let me tell you, this smells strong and it smells good. And now I'm going to just replace the cover, making sure you've got it on nice and tight. And now I'm going to come down here and pull out our waste compartment. And super easy. So we've got this little chamber right here that we're going to open up. Just pop the pod in like so, and then close it back up. So super easy. And now it's time to move on to our waste bag. And then just rip one of the waste bags off. All right, pop open the bag and secure it around the side just like so. Making sure to flatten the edges once you're done, otherwise it could affect the infrared sensing. And now I'm just gonna slide that compartment right back into place. And then we are going to add litter. Always make sure to use clumping cat litter for the best results. And you could add it in either via the inlet or cat litter port up top. It looks a little something like this, and you can see the max line right down there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour. All right, all poured in, not exceeding the max line. Now I'm gonna replace the cover. And now, as you can see, it is automatically working to flatten. And this is a part of the process that my cat finds very intriguing. And as you can see, it noticed her approach because she loves this litter box, let me tell you, because it features infrared sensing technology. This litter box is actually the world's first smart cat litter box, certified with Pet Safe certification. So essentially, it will pause operation anytime it senses your cat approaching, which is very different than a lot of others that could sense using weight, but this one knows exactly when your cat appears even next to it. Your cat doesn't have to be inside for the safety features to kick in. As long as they're within 30 centimeters, it will pause, just like so. And then when your cat leaves the would-be danger zone, the litter box will then continue to work and do its thing. So essentially this ensures complete safety for your cat, total peace of mind for you. You won't have to worry about your cat getting pinched or anything as the litter box is moving around. You can even see here that it is sensing her weight as she is reaching in. This litter box is truly so intelligent, designed with a lot of great features, which we'll get more into later, but let's let it finish flattening. And now as you can see, the litter is all finished flattening, and we can see from our little display panel the status. This bar right here is the litter quantity, so you'll see that it's completely full. Also, this right bar over here with a little poop icon shows that there have been 0 uses for my cat today. We've also got our network symbol showing it's ready to connect, and there'd also be a little lock symbol showing that the child lock is on if I had it on. But what is super cool is this litter box can also be controlled via our lovely app here. I've already created an account, and all I have to do is come over here to litter box. And now to connect it to my phone, what I'm gonna do is come over here to this button right here. This is the menu button. And then I can cycle through the different options. So we have got our clean now button, flatten cat litter button, empty cat litter, connect Wi-Fi, or reset to factory settings. And then you can either cancel or confirm, and we've got our power button at the top. So I want connect Wi-Fi, and I can confirm that on my phone. All right, found device, gonna add that, allow all the permissions. All right, added in my Wi-Fi info, and now it's connecting. And this process can take up to a few minutes, but for me, it just took like 10 seconds. So I'm already done and it's connected. And now here is what our app looks like. So it tells us how much litter is remaining. We've got sufficient. I don't have it all the way up to max, but I've got enough. Also shows me that the waste compartment is not full, and I can set reminders if I want, say, a notification to remind myself when the litter needs to be filled or when the waste compartment needs to be emptied. Also, it tells us how much life is remaining on the deodorizing pod. That's 60 days. And one of the best features about the app is that we've got detailed record of usage. So it can tell which cat used it based on their weight, how long they used it, when they used it, how many times they used it. It'll include entire entirely detailed records right here. This is great if your cat has any health issues or you need to monitor their, say, urinary related diseases. You'll be able to do so right from this app. Your standard manual litter box definitely can't do this, and a lot of smart litter boxes even can't do this. So this is a great feature, but we can also control right from the app. We can clean, flatten. I've got it set to auto clean, and we can set some other settings as well, like screen lock or sleep mode, and other settings to ensure this litter box works best for any situation. So this litter box can truly do it all, making things just super convenient for you to care for your cat, keeping the air in your home clean and smelling fresh, ensuring the safety of your cat as well as their health through app monitoring. Seriously, does not get much more convenient than that. But I wanted to come back to one of the coolest things about this device for me personally, which is the appearance. Honestly, so beautiful. Like, my husband was kind of wowed by it as soon as he saw it because this is like super his vibe. It's got a very unique appearance and it was honestly just so beautiful. It's got this lovely vintage look and has in fact won quite a few awards. It has won the German Red Dot Design Award, the IF Design Award, the South Korean K Design Award, the Japanese Good Design Award, and the Golden Pin Design Award. So if you have any concerns about the design, don't, because litter box is beautiful and it's designed to be very space efficient and honestly should look gorgeous in any home. It's a very neutral complementary style that stands out but blends in at the same time. And compared to other cat litter boxes, it seriously stands out so much. So as I said, it is the first TUV certified litter box in the world, whereas many others don't have any safety certifications. Also only takes up 0.25 square meters. Others definitely could take up more, up to say 0.42 square meters, even more than that sometimes. Definitely great for space efficiency. And it uses pure plant deodorization that is safe for pets, keeps your air clean, while others might use activated carbon, which for me personally doesn't give me quite as much peace of mind as pure natural deodorizing properties like this one. You guys, it features 10 layered safety protection, whereas others may just have dual protection. Sure, your cat could be safe in other automatic litter boxes, but with this one we are talking total peace of mind, total assurance. The interactive OLED display is also an excellent touch. It's super straightforward and easy to use, while others might not have quite as intuitive displays and buttons to use to control. A lot of other litter boxes also require the use of very specific litter. This, as long as it's clumping litter, it can use bentonite, tofu, all sorts of other litters. Also has very accurate measurements. Cat toilet usage tracking is super on point as well. Litter filling, emptying, honestly effortless. It feels like other automatic litter boxes are a little bit trickier. This one, just the top pops up super easily. Just pour your litter right in, and then the waste compartment just slides out easily as well without any fancy processes for securing the waste bag, as opposed to a lot of others I've seen, honestly. And cleaning is simple. It's a very straightforward design with simple assembly. Honestly, this is probably one of the easiest I have ever seen a setup as well. Which brings us back to one of the things I love the absolute most. PAWBBY is a brand that I can just so trust. In fact, their brand concept is every pet is our baby, because frankly, my pet is definitely my baby. So really, this isn't just a device to make your life easier. It's not a device to look pretty. This device is seriously part of a whole lifestyle characterized by warmth, environmental responsibility, and heartfelt connections. And now I just wanted to wrap up really quickly by demoing it for you. So I just added some litter and it's already automatically cleaning. You can do this manually, but basically here's a demo of our cleaning process. It just rotates, filters the litter out using its proprietary system, and again, infrared sensing technology to ensure that your cat does not get pinched throughout the process. And And in the matter of no time at all, the litter box is completely clean again, litter flattened, and waste dropped down right into the waste compartment. And this is a litter box that my cat loves as well, I must add. Seriously, I've tried quite a few other automatic litter boxes, and this one is by far my favorite. I hope you love it just as much as I do. Check the link down in the description if you want to grab one for yourself.